Okay, in this question here, we're going to find the volume of the cylinder. Now, a cylinder is effectively a circle that has been projected through this depth, which is known as a height, and it makes this cylindrical shape here. So to find the volume, we're going to go through a four-step process that we've observed many times previously. The first step is we need to label our cylinder, and the base circle here, the center to the edge of that circle is known as the radius. So we'll label that R. And this here is the height of the cylinder, so we'll call it H. So first of all, we've labeled the cylinder. Next step is we must select our volume formula, which we get from our table book, and volume equals pi r squared h. Is that all right there? So we've got all these to work out here. After we've selected our formula and we've labeled, we then come to S, which is sub in. We've got to sub in some information, so our volume stays as volume. We're going to figure that out. Pi, we're going to use 3.14 for that, and I'm going to open a bracket instead of pi and put 3.14 there. And r squared is going to be something squared, and that's something that r is 10. So we're going to put 10 in here, and then the final then h, I'm going to open another bracket, and in for h we're going to put in 20 meters, so 20 goes in there. Now these brackets are all beside each other, therefore they'll be multiplied. So for our last step, we are going to solve this particular sum here. So volume equals, I'm going to leave the 3.14 on its own. Now that is multiplied by this here. Now using BEMDAS, we do our exponent before we do anything else, and 10 squared is 100, and then this means they're beside each other multiplied again. Going to multiply by that 20. So let's do 3.14 multiplied by 100 is 314, and we still have our 20. And 314 multiplied by 2 is 628, and we still got our 10. So it's 6,280. Now our units are our last thing. Our height and our radius are both in meters, so our volume will be meters cubed. And that is the volume of this particular cylinder worked out, 6,280 meters cubed, and that is the question finished.